welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. Today we are going to be talking e.l.f. skincare. I did a major Black Friday haul last weekend and I picked up quite a bit of things from the e.l.f. website, and one thing in particular that I wanted to try out was their new cannabis collection. So I picked up all 4 skincare products that are included in that collection. They all retail for a really affordable price, and I can't wait to share them with you. Buster is here. She is purring away as she takes her afternoon nap. So let's go ahead and get started with this new e.l.f. skincare cannabis collection. The first thing that I'm going to share with you guys is the Calm Balm Lip Conditioner. This lip conditioner contains hemp seed oil and sunflower seed oil for a healthy, natural looking shine to the lips. It is so important, guys, as we move into these winter months that we keep our lips exfoliated and hydrated. I plan to keep this in my purse. I think I have a lip balm or a lip conditioner in almost every room of my house, and it is so important, guys, that we don't get those crusty, dry lips that nobody wants to kiss, and having a good lip balm can help alleviate that. So I decided to give this a try. So let me show you guys what it looks like. It just looks like a traditional lip balm. And let me put some on the back of my hand here. You can see that it does have that nice shine that it said it was going to have. And there's no scent to it at all. It just feels so conditioning, so hydrating on my lips. And if you live especially in a cold, chilly climate, you know how important it is to prevent your lips from getting chapped, to protect them. This lip conditioner retails for $5 on e.l.f.'s website. And guys, I've seen other lip conditioners that are very similar to this, that are on the Cannabis Sativa line with the hemp seed oil, derived ingredients, and all that good stuff in it. I've seen them go for way more than $5. I know there's a couple at Sephora, and minimum, I think they're like $15. So for $5 for this hemp-derived lip conditioner, I think that is a steal and well worth the price. The next product that I have to share with you guys is a facial oil, and this is All the Feels facial oil. This does contain hemp seed oil, rose hip oil, as well as squalene for a lightweight, non-greasy feel to your skin. It does have a little droplet applicator. This is what it looks like there. Now, I am a normal to oily skin type. So you're probably thinking, Steph, why are you buying oil to put on your already oily face? Well, it is important, even for people with my skin type or even oilier skin than me, to make sure that our skin stays hydrated. Even though I am oily mainly in my T-zone, the rest of my skin still needs to be hydrated. I actually enjoy using facial oils. I tend to use them more at nighttime than I do in the daytime, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of this right now so you can kind of see how that's gonna work, and I'm only doing a little bit. Now, if you had drier skin, obviously you're probably gonna wanna go in with a little bit more than what I did right now. I already have moisture to my skin, so I'm just working that all around my skin. I'm even gonna take it under my eyes, because our eyes sometimes can be the driest part of our face, believe it or not. Now I'm working this down my neck. I'm even gonna put it on my chest. And any little bit that I have left over, I'm just working it on my hands and into my cuticles. That's a good thing about facial oils, guys. They're really very versatile. You can really use them, whatever you have left over, the excess, and you can use it on other parts of your body as well, because our entire body needs to be hydrated. This has no scent to it, guys, whatsoever. It feels really nice, really hydrating, really smooth. It doesn't feel greasy on my skin. I'm actually really liking the way it feels right now. And I think I'm just gonna let this absorb into my skin for a few minutes before I go in with the new moisturizer that I have to share with you guys. But this feels really nice, really good. This one does retail for $12. It is one of the pricier items in this collection, but you do get 1.01 ounces in here. So I think so far it's working great. Of course, this is only like the second time that I apply this, and I'm anxious to use it. Like I said, I'm probably going to be reaching for this more at night, but I can also see myself applying it to the back of my hands and to my cuticles just to make sure that they stay hydrated. Next up, we have the new Happy Hydration Face Cream. This is a daytime and nighttime moisturizer. This moisturizer contains vitamin B5. It also contains hemp seed oil. It contains niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. These are all great skincare loving ingredients, and this is what the product looks like. It's a very whipped up texture, very whipped up cream. I'm gonna get a little bit just because I already have that oil on my skin, and I'm going to work this all over my face, focusing mainly on the perimeters of my face, which need the most moisture. There is no fragrance to this moisturizer at all. This moisturizer in conjunction with the face oil just really makes my skin feel so soft, so hydrated, so smooth. I am really loving how my skin feels right now. In this product, you do get 1.7 ounces in here. This one also retails for $12. So if you're looking for a new moisturizer and you want to get on this Cannabis Sativa train, then I would say this one is a really great place to start. It has some really good ingredients in it that's going to help hydrate your skin and combat the signs of aging. I'm definitely going to be reaching for this again. This is a really great combination, especially if you are on the normal to dry skin type. I think you're really going to love using both of these together. For me personally, especially in the daytime, I don't think I would use them both together. I think I would probably just go with this one and then put my sunscreen over it. But for nighttime, I'm definitely going to be using both of these together. The last item that I picked up from e.l.f.'s new Cannabis Sativa collection is the Puff Puff Makeup Primer. This primer contains hemp seed oil, vitamin A and C that help soothe and hydrate your skin before makeup application. It does have a pump applicator to it. This one retails for $8, and in here you get 1.01 fluid ounces. Now, I am going to go apply some makeup. I have another video that I'm going to film, more e.l.f. products to come. I'm just going to go in with that much. I actually think that might be too much just because I have a lot of hydration going on already to my skin. And again, I'm mainly going to focus this on the perimeter of my face. Put a little bit on my chin and right in here. I'm just going to lightly pat it into my nose. My nose will turn into an oil slick on its own. That's why I'm being very light-handed with it there and just kind of pressing this into the skin. Again, this one has no fragrance to it. Doesn't smell like anything. If it has a fragrance, it's like a lotion fragrance, but it's really, it's almost non-existent. So guys, if you are looking to add any new skincare items to your daily beauty routine, I think these products are a great place to start. e.l.f. is super affordable, easy to order from, and pretty much available at almost every drugstore. Not too sure if these products are available in store yet. I'm pretty sure they will be at some point, but since it is a new collection, I think it's only available right now on e.l.f.'s website. Hope y'all were able to get some new ideas today. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, let me know what you thought. I would love to hear from you guys. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated. Got my water right here, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.